So this is the area where your ignition module is located. You can see the top of the module over here. This is your driver left side footwell. 25 Torx or 2025, doesn't matter. A pry tool, my favorite electrical ratchet, or you can do the manual one. The most important step out of all, you need to disconnect the battery. Once the battery is disconnected, you lift the driver carpet. We'll have here 1, 2, and number 3 plastic grommets. Let's take them out. Carefully prying them all together. 1, 2, and number 3 over there. The best way to take the panel out would be just to undo the hood latch. It holds by the Torx 20 tiny bolt. Carefully taking the bolt out. And lower bolt here that holds the panel. Another one. Now you can carefully lift the door trim, rubber, and one more thing. This is your OBD plug. You're carefully shift it that way towards me, and then press, take it out. Then here, carefully bend it over, the panel is gone. Okay, this is your ignition module.